I'm Fiona Bruzzano from Fee Design Interiors. We specialise in luxury high-end residential homes, and a very important part of the home is the bathroom. One of the most important things to look out for when planning your bathroom is your budget. It is one of the most expensive rooms that you will ever create in your home. You need to be quite strategic with it. I would suggest spending the money on a powerhouse moment, natural stone, a pop, and then be very budget savvy with the rest of the bathroom. It might be a less expensive tile, still durable and functional. It might be a less expensive basin, but beautiful. You can be really clever with those elements. Be quite smart with how you choose. Plan it carefully, set up a spreadsheet, list all your costs, and then remember that there's going to be the trades on top of that. And make sure you have a contingency because things never go to plan. With budgets, the risk that you can run is not budgeting carefully. And once you start the bathroom, you're not aware of what's underneath the bathroom. You may come across some structural issues that will cost more. So one thing to remember with renovating is that there is always variables. Keep an open mind and be ready for the unexpected. So this is a very interesting question I get asked a lot about trades, and it's something that you need to be very careful about. Be savvy, ask lots of questions, build a relationship with the person you're planning on embarking on your project with. That's important. Make sure they listen to you and what you're hoping to achieve, and make sure they have the end goal and the end budget in mind. So when looking at quotes from different tradespeople, I always say get 3, but also don't choose the cheapest, and you don't need to necessarily have the most expensive. The concern about choosing the cheapest quote, it can look fabulous on paper. It can mean that they haven't taken in the brief completely, they haven't taken in the overall cost of the project. So in my experience, the cheapest quote can be costly in the long run. So a realistic time frame for a bathroom, it's a big question, and we get asked this every single time. And we like to set a really reasonable expectation of, I would say, 8 weeks. And that's from the start when you have already chosen your trade, you've already chosen all your products, and you're ready to go. So can we do a bathroom in a week? The answer is no. A lot of people feel it's possible because there is a lot of shows that say that you can. There are so many critical stages in a bathroom, from the rough-in to the waterproofing to the tiling and to the fit-out, and all of those stages take time. A bathroom needs certification, and so you need to allow for that time. So be reasonable in the time frame that you allow for this project. So I've had a long-standing relationship with H&G. It's over 10 years. It's building, it's construction, it's what most of our work is. I like H&G because it is a building and construction supplier, and they also have some really beautiful products. And if there is something that isn't available, they can order it in for me. And for the luxury and high-end design that we do, they offer a very down-to-earth approach.